You've seen AI write essays, code apps, and answer questions like a human. But here's the truth: large language models don't understand language the way we do. So what are they really doing? A large language model, or LLM, is a type of artificial intelligence trained to predict the next word in a sequence. That's it. No consciousness, no awareness, just probability, at massive scale. LLMs are trained on enormous datasets, books, articles, conversations, and code. They learn patterns in how language works, not facts like a database, but relationships between words. Every response is generated one token at a time, choosing the most statistically likely next piece of text. LLMs don't know things. They simulate understanding so convincingly that it feels real. This illusion comes from scale, billions of parameters adjusting tiny weights across neural layers. LLMs excel at summarizing, explaining, brainstorming, and generating content. But they can hallucinate facts, inherit bias, and fail logical reasoning without guardrails.
Understanding how LLMs work isn't just technical. When you know them, you use them better. And when you use them better, you stay ahead.